Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by summoning the camera as an armor stand so it behaves like a fixed camera. Run /summon armor stand XYZ marker, 1B no gravity, 1B invisible, 1B tags, camera 01 armor items, ID, Minecraft player head, count 1B. This gives you a non-physical rotatable entity. Once done, tag it and pick precise coordinates because orientation matters for line of sight. Make sure to use a player head or custom texture so it reads visually as a camera on screen. Next, you control where the camera looks and how it reacts. Use /execute as at etag equals camera 01 at srun tp at s tilde yaw pitch to aim it. The yaw and pitch are degrees, so you can program sweeps. Then animate that aim by running incremental TP commands on a schedule or in a repeating function to simulate panning. To detect players, run /execute at etag equals camera 01 if entity at p distance equals 8. Run say detected or trigger a redstone action. This links site to responses. Finally, provide a way to view or record the camera feed and hook up outputs. For a live view, teleport a spectator player to the camera with /execute as at etag equals camera 01 at srun tp at ptag equals spectator tilde and then return them, or capture the scene to a map via automated map cloning. Connect detection to sounds, messages, or redstone with simple /playsound, /say, or /setblock commands. If something breaks, check tags, marker flag, coordinates, and that functions or command blocks run every tick. Fixing any mismatch usually resolves the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.